Hi, Mom and Dad. The journey over the last 36 years of being your son has been such a rewarding one. I must say, Mom and Dad, you both have always been very supportive in all the decisions I have taken during my days of education abroad, helping me choose my life partner, the decisions I make in business, and helping me grow this family and helping you grow your grandkids. Mom, I must say, your choices are sheer class and excellence in every decisions you have made in life towards family and friends. That one thing I am so proud of about you is how disciplined, compassionate, passionate you have been towards life, and you excel in all forms of life. We love you so much. Wishing you a very happy 30th wedding anniversary.
One of the biggest blessings in the world is to have parents to call mom and dad. I have been married and part of this family for 10 years. मॉम ने मुझे कभी किसी चीज़ के लिए मना नहीं किया, कभी किसी चीज़ के लिए रोका नहीं है. जो पहनना है, जहाँ जाना है, तुम कर सकती हो. मॉम हमेशा हेल्पफुल रही है, मुझे कभी भी उनकी ज़रूरत हुई है उन्होंने मुझे इंकरेज की है. जब भी मैं कोई डिफिकल्ट टाइम से जाती हूँ तो शी इज़ द ओनली वन, शी इज़ द बेस्ट बडी शॉपिंग पार्टनर. डैड ने कभी भी मुझे मेरी गलतियों पे कभी भी डांटा नहीं, हमेशा प्यार किया है. मैं अक्षय को हमेशा ये चीज़ बोलती हूँ कि हमें डैड मॉम के जैसे कपल बनना चाहिए. लव यू मॉम एंड डैड.
दिल चाहता है कभी ना बीते चमकीले दिन, हो दिल चाहता है हम ना रहे कभी यारों के बिन. Hi Anup and Sujata, thank you for being with us. Thank you for making this friendship so special. We cherish this friendship.
Congratulations and wish you two a very, very happy anniversary. Dearest Sujata and Anup, I'm sure today you feel really, really proud of yourself for what you've achieved in life with your two wonderful children, your son-in-law, your beautiful daughter-in-law, and your amazing grandchildren. And we are so proud of what you all have achieved in your life.
And happy 30th wedding anniversary. Happy anniversary, Mom and Dad.
Happy anniversary, Mama, Papa. Do you see how many people are here to wish you today? You touch so many lives with your love, and you're an amazing example of how a marriage should be. And I cannot wait to celebrate with you guys because I miss you so much.
Happy anniversary Anup ji and Sujata ji. May God bless you.
May God bless you with many more years of happiness and success ahead.
Happy marriage anniversary to Sujata and Anup ji. God bless you. आपको यह है कामना हमारी, उत्कर्ष हो तुम्हारा, सफलताओं की लड़ी में नववर्ष हो तुम्हारा. हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी, हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी. तुम भी बोलो. चलो.
Happy anniversary to both of you.
Sujata Beti, you are the best. If he is the king,
She is the queen.
if he is the class,
She is class apart.
if he is confident,
She is consistent.
Anup ji,
Sujata Didi.
May you always be tuned in this natural rhythm. May God bless you with a lot of love and warmth around you. Wishing you a very, very happy wedding anniversary.
प्यार बढ़ता रहे दोनों में, ना थोड़ा सा भी कम हो. खेले खुशियाँ आंगन में, ना दामन में कोई गम हो. सारे जहां की नेमतें हो आपको मुबारक. अनूप जी सुजाता जी को शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक. शादी की सालगिरह मुबारक.
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी बुआ जी एंड फूफा जी.
का ये बंधन प्यार से जुड़ा है, रब ने प्रीत का दामन. 7 फेरों से बंधा जन्मों का ये बंधन, प्यार से जुड़ा है रब.
Happy anniversary dear बुआ जी एंड फूफा जी. I love you to the most young couple at heart.
Warm wishes to the wonderful two of you on your anniversary. Hope the coming years are even happier and filled with lots of love. Happy anniversary. Love you.
Happy anniversary to the glamorous couple who has always stood by me through thick and thin. Papa and Bhabhi ji, God bless you with all the happiness. God bless you. Love you both.
Dearest Sujata Lucky, wish you a very, very happy anniversary. Lucky, you are 2 years elder to me. But every time we meet or you address me, Paripura Mama ji, I actually feel so proud and happy about you. So much respect you have for us. God bless you. And we are fortunate to have you in our lives.
My heartiest congratulations, dear Sujata and Lucky. We've always cherished people like you in our family and in our hearts. You have always been a couple made for each other, and I think everyone admires you for that. Once again, many, many congratulations and best wishes.
Happy anniversary, Mama ji. We love you. Have a wonderful day ahead. Now some DJ party.
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes.
Wish you a very happy wedding anniversary, Mama ji and Mami ji. We love you.
Hi Bhuaji.
Wishing you a very happy anniversary. And this is for you guys.
Love you guys.
Love you.
With it, group drop. गोरे गोरे मुखड़े पे काला काला चश्मा.
जोड़ी हो तो मौसम औषधि जैसी। ये
कभी लड़ते कभी झगड़ते,
पर सबको पता है कितना दोनों एक दूसरे पे है मरते।
फिटनेस फ्रीक, हेल्थ कॉन्शियस, फैशन आइकॉन बनकर सबको जीने का है अंदाज सिखा।
बच्चों के साथ बच्चा बनकर,
बड़ों के साथ बड़ा बनके,
जीवन का हर पल एंजॉय कर कर हमको अपना आदर्श बना।
आखिर में दिल से दुआ है हम सबकी,
जोड़ी सलामत रहे हमेशा आपकी।
हंसते रहो, मुस्कुराते रहो
और हम सब पर अपना प्यार ऐसे ही बरसाते रहो।
हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी दादी दादू।
We love you all. Bombay da Munda.
Ludhiana di Kudi. Let's try checking out their love story.
अरे 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 अरे, लव स्टोरी का नाम सुनते ही देखो मेरे भैया की तो दिल की धड़कनें तेज हो गई।
नानी है, दादी भी है, धमाका है, पटाखा है।
अरे मेरी हॉट एंड सेक्सी चाची की तो लिस्ट इज एंडलेस, बट माय भैया ही इज तो टोटल दीवाना।
She's got the smile.
And he's got the style.
She's got her own wave.
And he chooses to be her slave. Wishing my bhaiya and chachi
Wishing my Didi and Jijaji
a very happy 30th anniversary.
Have a great super duper year ahead. We all love you.
We love you. Cheers.
Hi Anu Bhaiya, Sujata, happy anniversary to you guys. It's a pleasure to have you in the family. We enjoy your company so much. The vacations we had, Thailand, Dubai, Shirdi, the lot. We love you. Enjoy your day. Happy anniversary and see you soon.
जी दोस्त आइए ना हम नेक्स्ट सन के कुछ भी पिन दा कडियो दैट तो बाद फिर चक दे फटे। ओके विद दैट वी विल बोथ विश यू वेरी हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी एंड विश यू लॉट्स more come and stay safe and
love you. We love you very much. Have a nice day. Bye.
Hello Anuji and Sujata Didi. This is for you. बार बार दिल ये गाए, बार बार दिन ये आए, तुम जियो हजारों साल, ये हमारी है आरज़ू। Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary to you. Happy anniversary Anup ji and Sujata Didi. Happy anniversary to you. Best wishes to the rocking couple of the family. Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary Sujata and Anup ji.
Anup ji, very 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 happy anniversary and Sujata very very happy anniversary. और cheers करेंगे because you are always my drinks partner and have a very very happy life in you.
Congratulations.
Happy anniversary.
Happy anniversary.
Hey Anup, do you remember I had my first black dog with you? Black dog and parathas, and I still remember your push-ups and exercises.
We always relish the dinners or whatever meals we've had at your place.
And once again, wish both of you a very happy anniversary.
Hi Sujata and Anup ji, wishing you a
Very
very
happy
happy anniversary.
लॉकडाउन सरप्राइज कर रहे हो लोगों को घर में बैठे बैठे। चलो once it's over चलते हैं मैरियट। We'll have Nalini Nihari, Geo Special, and cheers to you guys.
Lots
love
of
you
love.
both.
Hi Sujata, hello Anup Bhaiya. A very very happy anniversary to you. God bless you both. Have a great day and party dena, huh? Cheers. God bless Akshayans.
Hi Sujata and Anup, wishing you both a very happy anniversary today. I guess it's going to be a private affair with just the two of you. But in any case, when we meet soon, I'm sure we'll have a drink together. But have fun and see you soon.
Happy anniversary Sujata and Anup. Wishing you years of happiness and luck together. Happy anniversary.
Cheers.
Happy anniversary Anup and Sujata.
Dekha?
Have a lovely day.
शेरी कोई और नाम बोलने वाला था सुजाता, सुन लो।
बच गया अनूप, नाले मैं सही वाला नाम बोलने वाला था। Anyway, have a lovely time.
Happy anniversary, Anup and Sujata. Wishing you lots and lots of happiness and many, many years of togetherness. On your 38th year of your wedding anniversary, Anup, you got a new wife now. Yes, slim, trim, absolutely fit. So, cheers to
Cheers to your health,
Yes.
wealth and happiness.
Cheers.
Happy times.
सुजाता अनूप जी हैप्पी एनिवर्सरी। 25 साल की जब दिन मुझे सिल्वर एनिवर्सरी, दैट टाइम अक्षय हैड कम टू माई प्लेस टू टेक एवी। दैट टाइम वी ऑल फ्रेंड्स वेर टुगेदर। बिकॉज ऑफ कोविड वी कैन नॉट मीट, लेट्स बट अक्षय और कृतिका ने एफर्ट्स लिया और सब कुछ कर रहे। सो नाइस। हैप्पी वेडिंग एनिवर्सरी वंस अगेन।
Sujata and Anup ji, happy anniversary. Wishing you good health, happiness and togetherness always.
Happy anniversary!
Buaji and Fufaji, have a wonderful day.
Buaji and Fufaji, you both are a truly made for each other couple. May your life always be filled with love, romance, understanding for each other. There is a saying, everyone can fall in love, but not everyone can stay in love. You both are a true example for that. Love you both. Happy anniversary! Cheers! Buaji, this one is for you. For our most gorgeous fashion icon, Buaji. Love you!
Fufaji, this is for you.
Okay. So let's rehearse what we are going to say. You're going to talk first. Okay.
हाँ जी, क्या नाम है उसका?
ओए लकी लकी ओए, लकी ओए, ओए लकी लकी ओए, लकी लकी ओए, ओए लकी लकी ओए।